Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in the method book with line 50, Laughing Song. So let's see what we have in our music. At the beginning, as always, we have our treble clef. Then we have our two flats in the key signature. The first flat is B flat on the third line, tells us all B's are flat. The second flat is E flat on the fourth space, and it tells us all E's are flat. The two flats in the key signature tell us we are in the key of B flat. Our time signature is 2/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note, and we use that to figure out the value of everything else. So if I had a whole note and it got 4 beats, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so the quarter notes get 1 beat. And finally, half of a quarter is an eighth, and half of 1 is half. So each of the eighth notes gets half a beat. And hopefully you'll notice the eighth notes are all beamed in pairs. So that means it takes 2 of them to equal 1 beat, or the same amount of time as a quarter note. The first eighth note in the pair is always the downbeat. It's always the number of the beat that it falls on. And the second one is always the and or the upbeat. So we have 1 and 2 and. Same goes here, 1 and 2 and. So let's look for the patterns. We're going to start on a B flat, thumb and 1 and pinky. And we have 3 of those in a row in the first 2 measures. So we have ta, ta, ta. Then we start moving on eighth notes. We have 2 B flats, 2 C's, and then a half note D. Ta, 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 ta. Then we stay on the D, and we have more eighth notes. 2 eighth note Ds, add the pinky for the E flats, and then we have quarter note F, quarter note E flat, 2 eighth note Ds, skip down to our new low A, and end on a half note B flat. 1, 2, 1, 1 and 2 and 1, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1. So I'm going to play this. I'm going to start my metronome at 96 beats per minute. Actually, I will slow that down just a little bit. Let's do 90 beats per minute. So start each note with a t sound. I hope you can play along with me and keep up. And here we go. 1, 2, ready. So that's it for Laughing Song, line 50. If you're not able to play it that fast, that's okay. What I want you to do is stop the video, go back to where you want to work, where you might be having trouble, and pause the video, try it, and then speed it up when you are ready. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.